Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 47, how to payment delete row record and filtering using Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12 www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service please +919941599815 anytime contact. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. Localhost PSP my admin, this is a database, and this my project is already open. This my localhost PSP my localhost underscore Laravel underscore 11, this is already run. This my project directory gem folder inside this htdoc direct and this project. Let's start this video. First of all, this is a list file is open. This list file is a show this open resource view super admin. This is a payment inside. This is an index file. This is a successfully show, but this is a ID is available. This ID and this ID is a payment table inside this available. This ID is a show. Same here. This is a different. Latest one is a top bar. Successfully available is inside. This is a new button is a implement a tag sref url. The same name is a copy paste here, and this is a delete. Same here. Let's class btn same btn danger successfully danger. Let's a tag is a implementation. A tag means implementation, successfully implementation, and one click is a implement. Are you sure want to delete? This is a one click is a message is a implementation, successfully implementation. Good working. The successfully implementation. Let's refresh this page and successfully inside this is available. Let's click this and successfully alert. So are you sure want to delete? Cancel is not delete, and okay, this successfully deleted. But this is a URL is a copy, otherwise same URL is a copy, and this is a dynamic ID is a implementation route web.php open. Inside this is implementation route get miss is a tag miss available get method. This is a tag get method in ID payment controller class and delete. Save file. Let's copy this name payment controller open. This is available app http. This is a controller inside this payment controller. Let's same name here. New function is a create public function, paste here $ID, and this is a table name is a payment. This is a table. The same here table is available. This table payment table. Same name copy, and this is already implementation previous all videos. Check this, otherwise doubt. And this is a find. This is the same name is a copy $ID and delete. Let's return redirect back with successfully record successfully delete. Save. Working fine. This is a working fine, and this is a successfully message is already implementation underscore message file, and this is a inside this customer CS and CSS success message implementation, and this is a message file is already include, and inside this is a message is a show. Let's back button inside this message is a show. Let's refresh this page. Let's this 2 number inside available inside this 2 number. Let's delete, and okay, successfully deleted. This is a 2 number is a remove, and this is a 3 and 1 is available. Let's refresh this page. Successfully implementation working fine. This 2 number is a remove. Let's 1 number is remove. Successfully 1 number is a remove. Only 3 number is available. Let's this is a remove. All good. Let's new record is a create, and this is a record is a create alex This is a date is a implementation. This is a date. Payment method cart, and not is a test not. Misspelling mistake only successfully created. This is a working fine. This is all good, and inside this implementation working fine. This is a search filtering is a implementation. Inside this search filtering is a implementation. Search filtering is a implementation. Search start and copy and end paste here. Successfully search filter is a implementation. First of all, this is a class inside this list file is available. This search filtering data is a copy. This is HTML, copy and paste here, and this is the name is implementation payment. Unless payment is a implementation, and refresh this page, working fine. This search filtering is available. Click this reset, good, working. First of all, this is ID is a get. Second is a student name. This is ID is available, good, working. Second is this is a remove, not use ID. This is a remove, and this is a name is a student name, all good. The student name database open. This is ID, same year, same name, copy and paste here. This is a request, and this is a successfully set. Third is the implementation. Third is available amount. Amount is a set, same name is a amount. This is a amount. This is a small name, capital amount and amount. Third is the implementation payment date. Date is available, this payment date. Let's check. This is a payment date, same name is a copy and paste here, payment date, same here. Refresh this page, working fine. This is all good. This is a not implementation, this not implementation. Only this 3 filter is implementation, U2 filter U implementation. This is only 3 filter is implementation, all good. Let's refresh this page, working fine. Let's click this search. Inside this available ID, student ID, amount and payment date. Let's same name copy, and first of all, this is a URL is a copy web.php open, successfully working fine. Let's payment controller open. This payment controller, inside this function is available index function. Payment controller open. This is a controller, payment controller. This is available index function, and this is a payment model. Inside this is available, this get record is available, payment model. This is available. Let's inside this submit. This is a data is a get search start end save, and this is a use request, same name copy and paste here request, and inside this is the implementation. This is a good. The same name is a class open. This first of all, this is a all implementation, same name, close this and paste here. First is ID, and this ID is a this table. Second name is available. This is a student ID. This is a student ID, and this is a student ID, and this student ID is joint query is available. The same name is a paste here, join query. Next is the implementation. This is a name is a payment, table is available amount, all good. Last is the implementation. This is a payment date, all good. Successfully filtering is a implementation, all successfully. Please write down step by step this file. And this name is available student name, so but student table is available. Click this student inside. This is a name is available. This is a name show. Let's reset button, click this. Let's implementation 1, the 1 is not available. Let's search record not found, not record found, all good. Let's 3 number is available, so let's search 100% is a search, good, working. Let's 4 is a search. This is a available search, good, working. Let's reset button, click this. Let's Johan and search available this Johan. This is a VV and source and not a no record found. All good. Less amount is the implementation. This is the amount and source amount issue. Wait, this is issue amount issue. Okay, this is a amount. The same name is a amount. Let's refresh this page and amount is the implementation source 100% is available. This 87 is a source and this 87 is available. 87 0 source and this is a not available. All good. This is a working fine. Last is a payment date. Payment date is available. This is a 23 is available. Less 26 is a source and this is not available. Less 26 is a source, 23 is source and working fine. All good. This is a working fine. Successfully all implementation. Please write down. This is a method. And otherwise this is a same here coding is inside this implementation but working fine. Same here. This is a delete is a working good. And this is a please step by step write down this form. First is ID name, student ID. This is name is a amount and this payment date name is a and this submit. Please write down. This is a get record is available. This get record inside this function is already get record and data pass index file. The same here index file inside this implementation this delete form and no record found inside this is available. This message is not a found inside this implementation source but record not found in this message is a show. Good. Working is at $empty.